In this video, I'll show you how to replace the water filter in this ice maker. This ice maker is a KitchenAid purchased in 2022. I'll put the model number in the description, but the model number is KUIX535HP-S00. And this is the water filter. I'll also put the link to this one. This one is great because it works in Whirlpool, KitchenAid, Maytag, JennAir, and it's worked well for us. So these water filters, they last about 9 months, and so I like to write on here the date of when I install these. So when I pull them out, I have a good idea of how long it's actually lasting me. So the very first step is to turn off the power. Before I do that, just show, so here I have the red light on to replace the filter as well as to clean it, and I'll do another video to show how to clean it. In this one we will show how to replace the filters. So let me turn this off. You can also turn off the water source as well. If you're installing the filter for the very first time, maybe you just bought it or you've never used a filter, the first thing you'll do is you'll take out this filter housing plug. So this is just one that comes with the ice maker initially. I've already taken that out. This is an old filter that's been used, and so the way that you remove it is there's this little tool that comes in the box with the filter, and so you just push that onto the old filter and then remove it by turning counterclockwise as you pull out. And so here's the old filter. I'm just going to dump out any water. It doesn't go on the floor. Now before you install the new filter, you want to pull off this orange cap, and then make sure that both of these kind of rubber O-rings are on there. Make sure they don't pull off with the cap. You also want to push the tool on so you can turn it better, and then you need to align this pin with this little groove here. So you push that in and then turn that clockwise, and then you can remove the tool, and that's it. Super easy. And now you can, if you've turned the water off, you can turn the water back on, and then you can also power it up, and you'll notice that the change filter light is turned off.